Okay, oh my god, do you like my hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Jenny Onyinye and you are welcome to this channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always watching my video. Thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. So today I'm going to be unboxing this soft box light that I got from Amazon. They call it Mount Dog, if I'm not mistaken. So I got this light, this soft box for 940 pesos. So I just want to unbox it with you guys. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see like how bright it is. And yeah, I wanted to get ring light, but I've had ring light when I started my YouTube. Like shortly after I started my YouTube, I bought ring light. But one thing I don't like about the ring light is that whenever I wear glasses, it will be showing on my glasses, and I don't really like it. They said that softbox, from my research, according to what the videos that I watched on YouTube, they said that softbox is better, that it gives like a smoother light and all that. So, and I just hope it serves, because for a very long time now, for more than a year, I haven't been using tripod. Like, I think my tripod spoiled around the last 2 years. That's 20, a bit, either 2022 or early 2023. I haven't been using tripod. I haven't been using ring lights. So I decided to, you know what? Damn the consequences. Let me just get this softbox and then have it. So yeah, let's just start with the unboxing. Oh, this thing is very good for cooking. Okay. Oh wow, see how they packaged it. Oh, it's not even big. I was even thinking that the whole thing covered this whole carton. So they just put this paper just to safeguard this, the main thing inside here. Oh, made in China. China, both original and fake. They all come from China. Ooh, look at this. And here is the tripod. Oh, it came with bag. This is good. So you can easily like put it inside here and then carry it and travel if you want to travel. Oh, oh wow, I just like the way they packaged these. Uh-huh. This is what the inside looks like with this and this cable. And then inside here, let's find out what it's. Ow! Oh my god. Let's find out what's inside here. The bulb is very big, guys. Bulb. Okay, I would need to read manual. And they have this. I don't know where this thing will be. Okay, I don't even know how to fix it, but this manual will help me to do the whole thing. Remote. Where's the remote? Ah, okay. So here is the remote. Let me get battery. Okay, I have the battery. Where is our TV remote? Okay, the remote is set. And the next, let me keep everything very well in case if I want to return it. Okay, and they have this, I don't know what they call this, but the name will obviously be inside here, that you can use to cover the light. Like you use it to cover the light after fixing it. Use it to cover here. I think the tripod is gonna go first. I have work to do now. Okay. Okay, without reading the manual, I think this one. Huh? I'm about to do rubbish now. Okay, let me just restrain myself and bring the manual. The bulb is very big. They covered the, I don't know what they call this plate, this plastic. So they gave me this. I don't know what they call it. The bulb is 185 watt bulb containing 100 LED beads, 16 by 16 studio softbox. They called this slow dolphin. Bottom of the light stand. Where is the bottom? Okay. See, it was like this. I was supposed to turn it like this. Now I'm understanding what I'm doing. And this one will go down here, right? Yeah. And this one should be here. Right. My light. Okay. Obviously, it's my light that comes next. Hi, how are you? It's supposed to be. Oh, yeah, thank you. It's not bending. Okay, this is small. There is our bulb. Oh, the floor. This is the scariest part. I've been trying to put this inside, like it is so strong and I'm so scared of pressing it. I don't know if it will break. Oh my god, this cannot enter. I'll push it to the bottom to fix it, so let me just try, even though I'm scared. I hope it doesn't break. So from this remote, I still do not understand what all these things are about. They wrote the functions here, so I'll obviously make use of it to understand this thing very well. So they have these LED lights have three: warm, cold, and then white colors. So this is warm color. Oh my god, this looks so good. I like it. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I bought this. I'm so happy that I bought this. It's I love it. I actually bought LED lights, like all these um rectangle LED lights, and it was so harsh. Like if I put it on, like the thing will just be straining my eyes because it's so bright and so harsh. But this one, I love it. This warm color is giving sunshine effect. Let me increase it. I don't know if it's on the highest or not, but I don't know what it looks like. I'm currently filming with my front camera, with my phone anyway. I'm using my iPhone. I don't know if I should change to camera or not. Yeah, let me switch to camera. Now I am currently filming with my camera, Canon M50 EOS Mark II. So let me put the warm. This is the warm and it's on the highest. It's giving sunshine effect and it's not bad. Yeah, I think it's on the highest. This is so calm, so warm, like it's not so harsh on my face. And let me check the code. This is the code. What do you guys think? I'm currently sitting very close to the, let me show you guys, very close to window door, and this is white. Okay, the white is not bad. I hope this is on the highest, 100%. Okay, this is good. This is good. I'm keeping it. This is white inside my bedroom. So I'm currently in my bedroom, and they say that this thing doesn't give shadow. Is there no shadow behind me? This is cold. This one is also good. From my camera, it looks very good, nice. And my ISO is on 800. Let me reduce my ISO to 640. Though the shadow is not so obvious compared to LED lights that I bought like few days ago. This is white. This is not even, it's not, the white is not white at all. It looks like yellow. The warm looks like sunshine effect. This one try small. Okay, let me just reduce the white a little. Let's see what it will give. So this is the white. Like you can decide to like manage this with your ISO on your camera, you know what I'm saying, and your other settings. I don't know what these two ones are, but I've forgotten. But yeah, this is me. This is me. Oh, I look so cute. I look cute. So this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review. Let me know what you think about this soft box down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a nice comment, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.